Bitcoin crashed. What just happened? What should we expect? And what should we be doing? Stay tuned for more. So hi guys, welcome back to another Gab's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And today pag-uusapan natin yung Bitcoin crash which happened last night. So let's dive into the Bitcoin chart. So last night if naabutan mo, Bitcoin crashed to the lowest level of at least 29,000 US dollars and up to date by the time na nirelease ko itong video, we are more likely to be moving around sideways within this area. But today, gusto natin pag-usapan ano ba ang pwedeng mangyari after a correction. But ngayon pag-usapan natin if normal ba yung mga gantong corrections at ano ba yung mga usually nangyayari after ng mga corrections tulad nito. First, let's look into the chart kung bakit nga ba nag-crash. It turns out, yung head and shoulders pattern na nag-form dito sa ating daily time frame, nag-play out siya exactly as how it should. So from the top of the head and shoulders pattern, umabot tayo sa target natin which is around 30,000 US dollars. And today, we are actually bouncing up from this price action and maybe we can get a close anytime soon. But hopefully by the time I post this video, we are already at a candle close. So we'll see what will happen after that. So yeah, that's what happened for the Bitcoin price. Last video, sinabi ko na mag-focus muna tayo sa macro scale kasi anything that is happening within the short term would be very hard to analyze since yung market is very volatile at this time and mahirap maging dependent. What should you do in that case is you should look Bitcoin at the macro scale, zoom out, and look at the charts on how we should be playing out this movement. So let's look first at the 21-week time frame. As you can see, meron tayong support which is 21-week EMA. In 21-week EMA, yung color red na line, yun yung nagde-determine na tayo ay nasa bull market. And currently, yung huling close natin sa 21-week EMA ay nag-close within the bull market support band. So technically, bull market pa din tayo kahit nagkaroon tayo ng malaking correction na to. As long as we stay within this area, nasa bull market pa din tayo. Ganito kasi yun guys, hindi siya malalaman mo na isang bagsakan kung bear market na tayo. Kailangan natin ng maraming weekly candle confirmation na nagko-confirm na below the bull market support band na tayo. And kung titingnan mo previously, we actually receive a lot of tests dito sa area na to kung kailan nag-decline ang price. After niya mag-retest ng bull market support band, bumaba siya ulit. At pag nangyari itong drop, the second time, dun ko masasabi na bear market na tayo. And kung titingnan mo din itong cycle na to, nagkaroon tayo ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 7 weeks natin bago nalaman na tayo ay nasa bear market na since yung ating last candle na yon nag-break down and nag-close below. So, technically, what you should be doing is you should be selling your asset at around this area. At dyan yung pinakang worst case scenario. So regarding exit strategy, meron ako isang video about that. You can check it out in the description below. But now let's dive in to how we should look at the chart. First things first, pag binubuksan mo kasi ang Bitcoin chart, ganito ang itsura. At nakakapanik siya talaga kasi kung titingnan mo, hindi accurate ang kanyang price movement dahil makikita mo is continuous growth lang. Hindi dyan na-account yung ilang growth ang nakukuha mo within the specific price ng asset. So in that case, what you should be doing is turning this chart into a logarithmic view. And in order to do that is kailangan mo lang i-click itong log at makikita mo yung kanyang logarithmic view. Dito, ina-account niya yung kanyang growth ng price within a specific time frame at yeah, following the law of diminishing return, bumababa ang ating ROI habang tumatagal. So, itinitake into account niya yung big amounts na makukuha natin dito sa area na to. So yeah, that's how you should look at charts. And let's try to look on how corrections like this happen. So previously, sa mga previous market cycle, nagkaroon tayo ng more than 5 market cycle corrections. If titingnan mo to, nagkaroon tayo dito ng 40% correction. So yeah, 40% correction dito sa area na to. We also had another correction in here. That's 38. Meron din tayo dito 38, another 38 correction. Habang tumatagal, hindi tayo naubusan ng correction, may 41%. And ang pinakamalalang correction is noong 2014 market cycle na nag-dump tayo for around 83%. So yeah, technically speaking, normal lang yung mga ganitong correction. So gano'ng kalaki ba yung correction natin ngayon? Kung ikitin natin, that's around 49%. So, hindi naman siya kasing laki ng noong 2014 cycle. Actually, within half pa lang to. So this is very normal pa din. And kung titingnan mo, ito yung ating first correction natin. Sobrang overdue na natin for a correction kasi ang OA na ng pump natin. So for me, itong correction na to is something na gusto ko na talaga mangyari noon pa para makapag-fuel up sa ating movement. Kung tatanungin nyo kung valid pa ba tong chart na to, kung nasa bull market pa tayo or wala na, the answer is yes, valid pa. Kung titingnan mo yung ating Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve, ito yung nagdedetermine ng ating growth sa ating Bitcoin. Matagal ko na to pinapakita sa mga previous videos ko pa sa mga group. At kung titingnan mo ngayon, andito pa rin tayo sa area na to. So pag bumagsak si Bitcoin dito, that would indicate na andito pa rin tayo sa gitna ng market cycle and we are just getting started for the market cycle. In that case, the more na nagde-delay ang ating bull run, the more na tumataas ang ating market cycle top, which is good. So if let's say tumagal to ng around December 2021, we might actually see a 150,000 Bitcoin. Kung titingnan mo kasi si logarithmic charts, hindi siya ganun kalaki ang 150k. So anytime soon, pwede natin siya maabot if madelay tayo ng ilang buwan dito sa ating movement. Makikita mo na ang 150k, it's just merely a small movement sa ating logarithmic chart. So very possible pa din siya within the next few months na mangyari. So that's how you look at this in the macro scale na valid pa din itong chart. And ngayon tingnan natin isang example ng market correction. Ang pinakamagandang example dyan is yung market cycle crash of 2020. Nakita natin bumagsak ang Bitcoin from 10,000 US dollars up to 3,000. That's a roughly 63% crash. And kung titingnan mo yung fear and greed index natin, yung time na yun was also the same time when we have reached the lowest point ng ating fear and greed index. So this is actually the same moment na kung ano yung nangyari noong time na yun. So we are just replicating historical movement. So same na same lang siya dito. Makita mo na extreme fear tayo ngayon. And yeah, let's try to zoom in ano ba nangyari noon. So to understand what happened during that time, let's go into the hourly time frame para makita natin ano ba yung nangyari noon. So kung titingnan mo ito noong time na bumagsak si Bitcoin, so just like what happened today, yung crash noon nangyari lang within just a matter of one day. So around 30 hours siya. So previous day and the current day. And then after nun, nagkaroon tayo ng massive sell noong time na yon. At noong nag-sell siya, nagkaroon tayo ng first downtrend. So yun yung first downtrend natin. Nagkaroon tayo ng small bull flag dito. At dahil sa bull flag na yon, nakuha natin yung continuation ng ating target, which is around 3,000 US dollars. So ito yung kagandahan ng paggagamit ng pattern sa technical analysis. Pwede mong ma-predict yung iyong next movement. If gusto nyo malaman kung paano alamin yung mga gantong movement, you can check my other video below, how to trade patterns like this. Nakita mo na exact na movement. Pero ano ba nangyari after nun? Once na nag-fall down tayo dito, nagkaroon din tayo ng ating pump once na hit natin yung target. So makita mo dito, na-hit natin yung target, nagkaroon tayo ng pump. Babalik ba siya kagad? The answer is no. Ang mangyayari dyan is magkakaroon tayo ng very long consolidation period in this area. Magkakaroon tayo ng isang dip ulit which would indicate na retest sa pagbaba, and then magkakaroon tayo ng normal na sobrang tahimik na time dito wherein we just stay put for a matter of weeks, and it will just continue more likely for ilang months. In this case, nangyari siya ng that's around 60 days bago tayo naka-recover sa ating movement. Ito yung actually yung best time na tayo ay magbabay ng Bitcoin or any type of asset kasi ito yung accumulation phase na ating hinahanap. Ito yung best buying opportunity since ito yung lowest point ng ating market cycle. At since nandito tayo, to answer the question, what should we expect and what should we be doing? The first thing that we should expect is a very long consolidation period. Ito yung consolidation period na sinasabi ko na magandang time para bumili. At kung tatanungin mo kung ano ba dapat ang gawin natin, ito yung time na pwede tayo mag-ipon ng maraming coins at hintayin ang ating market cycle gumalaw para sa kanyang next parabolic pump. So makikita mo na itong cycle na to, tumagal siya for around almost the end of May, around the middle of May, pero nag-start kasi siya between March. So I'm expecting around 2 to 3 months of consolidation period, a reaccumulation phase in that case para makapag-reaccumulate tayo ng assets natin. And actually good din yun kasi kunyari wala kang budget ngayon, may time ka pa din para makapag-ipon ng iyong capital pagpasok dito sa reaccumulation phase. And kung titingnan mo yung ating movement ngayon, we exactly followed the same pattern. Yung una is nagkaroon tayo ng downtrend, nagkaroon tayo ng bull flag, and then after a bull flag, nag-continue tayo to the downside following this target up to 30,000 US dollars. So, very predictable ang mga prices actually kung marunong kayo mag-analyze basic patterns. Sa ngayon, we are currently playing out this first part of the movement. So, we could expect the next part which is yung second dip niya, which is mas slower na. So, sa ngayon, hindi pa siya nangyayari, but we could expect that at around 34,000, yung second buying opportunity to buy. And then after that, we could actually move on to a very long accumulation pace na baka tumagal ng 30 days or at least 30 days para sa area na to. 30 days would actually leave us at around the end of June. So baka hanggang dito tayo mag-reaccumulate. So that's what we should be looking into the charts. And now lastly, what about altcoins? So sa ngayon sa altcoins, ang hirap kasi intindihin ng kanyang mga price movement kasi dependent sila lahat kay Bitcoin. So if ako ang tatanungin nyo, ang pinakang useful pa lang dito is yung Fibonacci retracement. Pwede natin i-check yung kanyang possible support and resistance areas niya and as well as the moving average since yun yung mga nagiging strong supports natin. Makikita mo na dito tayo nag-bounce for Ethereum. And same goes with Cardano. Ganun din yung nangyari. Nagkaroon tayo ng mga bounce moving average. So sa ngayon, if you want to enter into any altcoins, I suggest that you should look at the moving averages and the Fibonacci retracement. And also, para hindi kayo magpanic sa ganitong itsura, use the logarithmic scale para makita nyo ano ba yung movement. Makita mo na, unlit lang talaga ng drop nangyari kay Ethereum. Pero kung hindi ka naka-logarithmic, magpapanik ka talaga kasi ang laki ng downtrend niya. Pero in reality, sobrang liit lang niyan as compared to other dips. So if you want to trade into any altcoins, what I would do first is look into Bitcoin bago ako pumasok sa kahit anong altcoins. So yeah, that's it for today's video. So I hope you find this video useful. Sana hindi kayo magpanic sa inyong trades kasi for me, ito yung best buying opportunity para makapag-enter ngayon sa Bitcoin or any type of asset. And as much as possible, if nagpapanik kayo sa kanyang movement, what I would suggest is zoom out, look at the historical data, and understand that this is very normal. Welcome to crypto for sa mga newbies. And to end this video, gusto ko rin sabihin yung itong sinabi ko sa Twitter. The same people who said na sana nabili ko nung mura are the same people who are currently fearful in buying the dip. This is easier said than done. Just buy the dip. So if you find this video informative, please give this video a like. If gusto niyo makita yung mga signals ko on different coins na fina-follow ko, you can follow me in Twitter, our Telegram group. You can follow me at our Discord. We also have a Facebook group. Link is in the description below. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. And bye-bye for now.